Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question for ACT calculator use. Okay, so this question goes like this: can my calculator help with mean, median, and standard deviation in ACT? Okay, I think I have given response to a similar question like this when I was recording the video for SAT math calculator use, SAT math calculator use. So for this question, the answer is yes. Okay, most graphing calculators and advanced scientific calculators have built-in scientific functions that compute these values instantly. Okay, so since we are dealing with ACT here, this video that I'm pointing at is a 2-hour long video showing various ways you can solve ACT problems using the T84 plus calculator. Okay, so if that's a calculator you're using, the T84 plus C calculator, this video is the right video for you to watch, showing you everything you need to know concerning ACT math calculator tricks. In the video, you will see the aspects of the statistics, where I showed how you can solve statistics problems in ACT using a calculator and other problems in ACT math too. But if you are not using this calculator, the calculator can also do it. Just come to my playlist and check for my video on the specific calculator you are using under the statistics section, or just check for my video on statistics using the calculator. You'll be fine with that video. So I hope I answered this question correctly for you, and I will see you in the next video.